Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be solving this equation that says 2 raised to power 1 minus y times 2 raised to power y minus 1 over 2 raised to power y plus 2 equals 8 raised to power 2 minus 3y. Now this question will help us understand exponential equations and also how to treat our basic indices. To get started, I want us to rewrite this equation this way. I mean 2 raised to power 1 minus y times 2 raised to power y minus 1 over 2 raised to power y plus 2 will be equals to, now we have 8. 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2. That's 8. So I can write it as 2 raised to power 3 or bracket into 2 minus 3y. That implies that this equation is of the form of, if you look at what we have on top here, you have 2 raised to power 1 minus y times 2 raised to power y minus 1. Let's apply indices here so that this can be 2 raised to power 1 minus y plus y minus 1 over 2 raised to power y plus 2 equals, now this becomes 2 raised to power, I want to open this bracket, so it becomes 3 times 2, that's 6, minus 9y. Now I can now simplify what I have here. Y minus 1 minus 1 here becomes 0, minus y plus y also becomes 0. So that numerator will reduce to 2 raised to power 0 over 2 raised to power y plus 2 equals 2 raised to power 6 minus 9y. Now this also implies that 2 raised to power 0 is the same thing as 2 raised to power y plus 2 times 2 raised to power 6 minus 9y. Now I can rewrite this as 2 raised to power 0 will be the same thing as 2 raised to power y plus 2 plus 6 minus 9y. I've applied simple indices. So that 2 raised to power 0 will be the same thing as, I have y minus 9y, that's 2 raised to power minus 8y. Then 2 plus 6, that's 8 again, plus 8. Obviously, our denominators are the same. Then let's open a new slide. We had 2 raised to power 0 equals 2 raised to power minus 8y plus 8. Here we have 2 raised to power 0 equals 2 raised to power minus 8y plus 8. Now that implies that my 0 is automatically equals to minus 8y plus 8. So that my 8y now will be the same thing as 8. Y is equals to 8 over 8, which is equals to 1. My y is equals to 1. In case you have any question, please do not hesitate to use the comment section.